Well, this time we dry fit these things. They're the cabin sides. I'm sitting in the cabin right now. This might be my last video for a little while because I'm going on holiday for a couple of months. But don't worry, I'll be back and there'll be plenty more to see. I might make a video if I find some interesting boat related or boat building related stuff while I'm on holiday, but we'll see how we go. So now that the deck is glued on, the next step is to fit the cabin sides. Here's the cabin, such as it is, and this is where the sides go, and this is one of the cabin sides. So they kind of go like that, so I have to figure out how these fit. This is the cabin side, and this is the carlin here, and this is the side deck. So you can see that the cabin side comes down slightly lower than the side deck here, so it can be screwed into the carlin. I need to cut like a notch in here, so it'll enable the side here to sink down enough. I'm assuming the correct amount is whatever that is. So then it will become flush with the top of the bulkheads here, which is shown in the plan here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut out a notch for this bulkhead and that bulkhead too. Otherwise it's not gonna go in, is it? No. So I may have made a bit of a mistake.
Yeah, could happen to anyone. I had to look at the plans and catch the first time, but...
Yeah, so let's go over to the plans and see what I mean. You can see this is bulkhead 4 in the plans. This is the notch for the carlin, and you can see the notch for the carlin doesn't go all the way up to this vertical bit here. There's a little space, and I bet you that is a 9mm space. And you can see the same thing on bulkhead 2 and the same thing on bulkhead 3. The carlins don't go all the way up to this vertical piece. What I've done here is bring the carlin all the way up here. There's no little space here. And as a result of that, when we try and put the side deck piece in,
Oh, nice.
she doesn't go in. So...
No good. No good.
So, in lieu of taking the entire thing off and shifting it over 9mm, what we're going to do is cut a little notch into each of the bulkheads here.
So the other version of this is we're doing a custom mod onto this boat, trying to give it steeper sidewalls for a sleeker look, wider side body kit. It's a good idea.
Crouse is always looking on the bright side. Yeah, so look at the plans, kids. A few steps ahead, and when you cut those notches, cut them in the right place. Hey, you hurt the boat. I hurt it a bit, yeah. Perfectionists at work again.
Oh?
No.
So, put a nice big level on this with the plane and a bit of power sanding. It feels like the wood's not fighting the position. Like it's you know straight, but it's not fighting trying to be in place.
Yeah.
So we're now talking about aesthetics on this curve. Now, I personally feel all the curves of this boat are sweeping like this. Everything's coming to a nice tight point in terms of aesthetics. This should sweep down to a nice tight point. Joe wants to put a bit of a chamfer. Chamfer where you put a rounded corner on the end or something. Can you look that up and put it what it's actually called here?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah. I think it should just come up to a clean point because this curve comes up just to a clean point. Vote now!
So what we're going to do is we're going to draw it my way, see how it looks, and then if it's shit, we'll do it Crouse's way. Because if we do his way first, there's no going back.
There's no going back. You got to do the things the wrong way before you do it the right way.
Which is exactly what we did here. We did this the wrong way. Like, I have no idea if this is the way that it's supposed to go. But it's a way.
It's a way.
And
it's on. It works. It's going to be waterproof. It's going to be great.
Yeah, I like that curve.
Obi-Wan never told you the truth. This is actually my boat.
Apparently this is the easiest way to do this. Crouse reliably informs me.
This is my installation. You know, this and this and this just sort of draws your eye to the front of the boat.
Why do you want to look at the front of the boat?
Because that's what's coming at you, right?
That's not the best cut I've ever done. If you like what you're seeing, why don't you subscribe? Hit that notification bell so you can see whenever a new episode comes out. Which won't be until September now, so I mean, you should hit it actually, so you know when I'm back alive again and doing stuff. Thanks for watching.